Okay, so git count badge. You have three options here. Oh, first of all, what's the count badge? The count badge is this little number right here, and it also shows up here. So you have three options here: all, off, or tracked. So all counts all changes. I have a modified file and an untracked file, and that's what's showing up there. Two changes. You can turn it off, obviously, and then you can use the count only tracked changes. So the untracked file won't show up in the badge because it's untracked. Actually, like the all, I think it's a good thing. To be honest with you, I don't really care about the number though. Like, I just want to know if I have uncommitted changes in my workspace, meaning if my workspace is dirty, right? And I need to commit some changes. I don't really care how many changes or how many files were changed, because I can see that here. And the number of changed files doesn't really give me any useful information. But that's me. I guess that pertains to the way I work. But anyway, this is what the setting does.